Good morning, friends. Today I'll speak on the topic of comparators. In comparators, we are going to see the basic circuit which is formed by using a op-amp. Now, as discussed previously, in a simple op-amp loop, comparator was discussed. Although a circuit is functional, it is not the final comparator. It has many types. It suffers from two faults, particularly fast, and does not use hysteresis. Hysteresis provides a margin of safety, cleanup, switching transition. Providing a comparator with hysteresis means that its reference depends on the output state. As an example, for positive going transition, the reference might be 2 volt, but for negative transition, the reference might be 1 volt. This effect can be dramatically used to improve the performance. In comparator, if the signal is having V input, V reference, and accordingly this is the signal, then by using a comparator it can be obtained by using the comparator as V out versus T. In op-amp, we have R1 and R2 connected to the output in the parallel, which forms a comparison, where we have upper and lower trip points, which are commonly referred as upper and lower thresholds, which we have previously said as different voltage levels. The adjustment of R1 and R2 creates an error band around 0. When the trip point is reached, the comparator output changes, this changing the reference. So we get a reference V out. This reinforces the initial change. In effect, the comparator is now being used as positive feedback. Feedback signal is tied to non-inverting terminal. This circuit is sometimes referred to as Schmitt trigger. The common example of comparator IC is general purpose LM311 is one of the most popular comparator used today, and FAT input version, the LF311 is also available. Generally, all the op-amp based comparator circuits already mentioned can be adopted for using LM311. The LM311 is far more flexible than average op-amp comparator. Then the places in a square in the middle performance range, as it is 10 or so sometimes faster than the lower power comparator, but at least 10 times slower than the high speed devices. The voltage gain is relatively high at 2000. Typically, input offset voltage is moderate at 0.7 millivolt and 3 millivolt maximum at room temperature. For example, FAT input LF311 shows an offset bias currents of about 100 times less than the slight increase in the worst case input offset voltage. The saturation voltage indicates exactly low state potential for a typical TTL type load. In LM311 may be configured to drive TTL and MOS logic circuit, load reference to ground, and positive supply or negative supply. Finally, it can be directly drive relays or lamps with its 50 milliampere output current capability. Operation is as follows. V input is greater than V in. The output goes to an open collector condition. Therefore, a pull-up resistor is required to establish the high output potential, which will be tied back to 5 volt logic supply. If Vn is greater than Vin, the output will be shorted through the comparator ground. Normally, the pin goes to ground, indicating low logic. The strobe pins affects the overall operation of the devices. Normally, it is left open. It is connected to ground through the current limiting resistor, in which we get the comparison of the various inputs, and output is obtained for the reference values. With this, we complete the explanation of the comparator.